What is going on, REC TEC Nation? I'm Ray Carnes with REC TEC Grills. I'm here with the main man,
Stevie Fredericks, Twisted Burrito, Evans, Georgia, baby.
Check Twisted Burrito out in Evans, Georgia. They got some really good stuff over there. They even smoked their pork on a REC TEC, man.
All of our meat is smoked on REC TEC.
Yes.
Every day.
Yes. So listen, this is a quick, easy recipe for salmon. It's amazing marinade. We want to marinate it overnight. I'm going to show you this. It's real simple marinade. We're going to do 1 cup of soy sauce. We're going to do half a cup of orange juice. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of red pepper flake, 2 tablespoons of fresh diced garlic, and that is all you've got to do. Whisk this stuff together. Put your salmon fillets in there. Bam! Boom, we did it. 24 hours, bam! It's ready to go. We're going to be hitting the bullseye with this on high heat. We're also going to be using the grill grates, and we're going to go cook these things probably only about 5 minutes. You're just looking for mid-rare medium on salmon, and this marinade is wonderful. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the most important. You want to add some ginger, coriander. Is that how you pronounce it?
Coriander. And
this coriander. I'd say I put an L in there. And this also has some dried honey in there. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of our Asian persuasion. And if you don't have that, you can use the ingredients I just listed. So 2 tablespoons of that. I knew I was missing something. That's 1, and that's 2 1/4. Exactly 2 1/4. All right. Whisk this together. Get your salmon in there. And that's exactly what we've done in here. And we're going to get that in the bullseye here in a second. So we'll see you at the REC TEC. All right, so we're at the bullseye. The bullseye is running at 600 degrees. We're using the grill grates. We're going to go hot and fast here. This is going to be a quick cook. We're going presentation side first. So these beautiful salmon fillets are with the skin on. We're going the flesh side down first. Go ahead there. And we're going to get some beautiful grill marks on here. I'm going to put one this way just to see which one would have looked better. Is there any more in there? No, we're good. So we're going to go just about 2.5 minutes on that side. And then we're going to flip them and go about another 2.5 minutes, and we're going to call it a day. All right, so we got these off. This is our Asian persuasion salmon. Very good. Okay, we had a little bit of stickage on the bullseye. I should have sprayed those a little bit. They turned out gorgeous. What we did, we had a cup of soy, half a cup of OJ, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of our Asian persuasion rub. We did, what else was in there, Jody? Huh? Oh, a tablespoon of pepper flakes, and I think that's about it, but that was all in the beginning. Marinated them overnight, grilled them just for about 3.5 minutes, and then we hit it with some sesame seeds at the very end right here. We're ready to dig in. Come on in here, guys, and see what you think of the finished product. We got
garlic in here too, sorry.
Garlic, and that's right, there was garlic in there as well. So get in here. It's not, look how moist. That's on point, man.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. Man, wow, that's good.
You're looking for a good mid-rare, and that is good. Guys, it can't get any easier. This from start to finish, other than the marinade, is a 5-minute cook. Make it one night, serve you a nice side. Visit rectechgrills.com. See us on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for cooking with me. Good job, everybody. RecTechGrills.com. You can't go wrong. Take care.